Hey, what's up, guys? Brandon Orr here. Today, I want to share with you some of the softwares I use to run my cleaning business. Cleaning business owner and cleaning business coach. So, if you do have any questions or want to know a little bit more about kind of how we run our business, feel free to drop a comment, shoot over to Instagram, and send me a message. But some of my favorite softwares, guys. Number one, I will say is QuickBooks. We utilize QuickBooks to do our billing. So we do send invoices through QuickBooks. We also we do our bookkeeping through QuickBooks as well. It is very easy. My accountant has access to it. So if we need to file any taxes or do anything of that nature, he can actually just go in and pull the reports that he needs to pull with no access to any other information inside the software. So we did at one point pay our subcontractors through the payroll portion of QuickBooks as well, but now we use a different software. We're in the process of changing that over too. So so QuickBooks is great for bookkeeping. It's good for sending out invoices. I would recommend exploring different options, maybe on an annual basis, as far as sending out invoices, because as we all know, when you're doing electronic payments, those transaction fees, they could add up. They change over the years, so it's good to evaluate that on an annual basis. My second favorite software is the Clean Biz Network app, the CBN app. What doesn't this software do? The CBN app, this is where we handle all of our marketing communication. A lot of our relationships with our subcontractors is done through this. A lot of automations is actually done through the Clean Biz Network app as well. We utilize this to keep track of email campaigns. We use this to keep track of deals that are in a pipeline, people who we've spoken to in the past, deals who just have not closed, people who gave us yeses. It's just not the right time. So you want to make sure you're following up with these people. The app helps us to actually segregate different industries. So I'll have, all of the medical, industry clients. I have them tagged in a certain group. All of the just corporate offices, we can have those tagged in a separate group, right? Because those are two different pain points. You wouldn't, talk to a medical facility how you would talk to a fitness gym cleaning or some other type of cleaning, because it's two different types of pain. So you don't want to kind of lump all your clients together and market to them, or not clients, but your prospects together and market to them in a uniform, kind of like cookie cutter fashion, right? You want to make it specific to their industry, because they have different pain points. So you would sell them and market to them in different ways. And the Clean Biz Network app does make it very easy and simple to be able to do that. Okay, so that's one of my favorite apps. I do know the owner, Mr. AJ Simmons, my good friend. So shout out to AJ Simmons and the Clean Biz Network. My third favorite app is RouteBid. RouteBid, another app software that is created by a friend of mine, Mr. Ricky Regalado. He is the founder of the RouteBid, RoutePost, the whole Route Ecoverse. So I did get a chance to experience the RouteBid app, which we still use today. We do utilize the RouteBid app for our walkthroughs. It's very user-friendly. Prospects and clients love it because when we submit the proposal, everything is nice and organized, and you have pictures. You pretty much have all the data that you receive from the walkthrough inside the app, and they make it very easy to transfer that over to proposal. Another thing that I love about it is if you are a multi-state, and let's say you have a manager or someone else in a different state, they could be doing a walkthrough and upload the data into the software, and you could actually have a different person or yourself. You could actually be looking at everything from that walkthrough that was all the way across the country. You can be in the office taking a look at that and creating a proposal and immediately after they're done, or you could actually see it in real time. So that's pretty neat if you are multi-state, but it's very inexpensive, pretty good price point. You can do inspections on there as well. We don't have any issues with that software, so we really love it. Another software that we use in our business is Ring Central. We do use Ring Central. to make our dials. Now, the CleanBiz Network app, you actually have a phone system built into that app as well. I told you, the system is amazing. So you could actually make your calls on there, but we've been a long-standing member of RingCentral. We haven't actually had a chance to actually dial in and kind of see what the price point would be if we solely did our calls on the CleanBiz Network app versus utilizing RingCentral, because the CleanBiz Network app, the CBN app, it is like credits based. So you'll purchase credits, and then each phone call is a certain credit, something like that. Versus over at RingCentral, we do have a flat rate, right? We have a flat rate over there. So I haven't really sat down to do the analytics behind which one benefits us. So as of right now, we use both. Okay. So RingCentral is pretty great. You can also set up 2 locations in our business. So when they call one of our numbers, it'll say press 1 for Chicago, press 2 for Dallas. Very professional. And that's what people like to see, professionalism. And if you show professionalism in your company, on that front end, they haven't even spoken to you as a person yet. That speaks volumes, right? That'll help you to build a better rapport with them prior to even speaking to them. Okay, so those are some of my favorite apps, guys. How could I forget my guy DJ the Boss? Has the Boss app, the Clean Boss app. We actually just onboarded with the Clean Boss app, and I have not had a chance to go in and upload any of our clients on there just yet, so I can't tell you anything about it yet. But that it is an operations app where you can actually have your team to log in. You can do your timekeeping through there, and keep track of your team, see how long they're spending on certain accounts, making sure that it's staying within the parameters that you actually bid that account for. So it's an accountability app. Essentially, you want to be able to hold your company and your team accountable, so you can keep that client, keep the money flowing in. So I'm super excited to use that, guys. I can't wait. And when I do, I'll drop another video and I'll tell you how we are enjoying the Clean Boss app. Okay, that's DJ the Boss. He does have an app, an operations app to kind of manage your team and manage your accounts. Okay, so outside of QuickBooks, I just gave you 3 pretty dope apps to run in your cleaning business, and I gave you a little bit of information about each of the owners. I do know each one of those people, so we try to support one another within the cleaning business industry. But yeah, the software is good too. So I'm not just saying it because I know these people, but the software is good too. As far as the CBN app at Route, I'm pretty sure the Boss app is pretty dope too. So stay tuned if you want to hear those details about the Boss app. All right, these are my favorite softwares, guys. Hey, let's win, man. Follow me on Instagram if y'all not following me on Instagram. And if you want to stay tuned, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you for watching. Brandon, or see y'all soon. Let's win.